Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. A little breezy out here. You can hear the trees going. I haven't been able to get out and fly my little drones and planes and stuff like I would like to. So I consider this a blessing to be able to come out here, let alone make a whole video of it. But I'm out here with one of my drones, Fan Man. Out here with the Rage RC Jetpack Hero. I think that's what it's called. I'll have a link in the description if I find this guy on sale out here in the wild. But pretty awesome little drone right here. I think this is part 2 of it. So let's get this guy up in the air. Hopefully I can take off from out here. Yep, he can stand up. It is altitude hold on this drone. He toppled over on me. Let's see, something's rubbing over here. The cause of our issue. I think this prop right here is striking over here. We got a prop strike. See if we can straighten that out. Okay, it's not striking anymore. Hopefully we can get Fan Man in the air. Got to be careful with these with these drones with altitude hold. Sometimes on windy days you can lose them. The wind can take them away from you. It's hard to bring them down. But Fan Man is pretty fast, so I figure he has enough thrust to be out here. As long as we don't get him stuck in a tree or nothing like that. Let's try to get him front and center so we can have a look at him. It does do stunts. Oh man, it's flashing like it's a low battery or something. Oh man, this battery is fully charged, man. It must not be holding its charge. Haven't gotten Fan Man out here to fly in a while. And it is flashing. Let me see if I can get it back in the air. Ah man, I gotta come back with a better battery for Fan Man. I think I might have one in my bag. Let's go check it out. Man, I did manage to find another battery. Hopefully this one isn't spent. Let's try to get Fan Man in the air. Let's hurry up and get our flight on. No telling where this battery is at. It seems like it's a pretty good battery though. Fan Man is flying with some pep now. Let's see if we can get a flip going. Yep. Fan Man is doing stunts. Try to get him down. It takes a little while to get these guys down. Check out how slow it's descending. That's crazy. Uh-oh, looks like he's descending a little too fast now. Might be spent. Ah, Fan Man. So I did find 2 batteries. I put the smaller one of the 2 in there. This one is a little large to go in there. Let me see if I can squash it in there. See if I can get it squashed in there. This battery is going to be a challenge to get in here. It's a little fatter. Looks like I can manage to get it in there though. Not sure how he's going to fly with this battery on board, but I guess we about to find out. I think we might have to leave the hatch open on this one, y'all. Okay, so this battery is a little heavier. Maybe it being larger a benefit in us having a longer flight with him though. Oh yeah, he's got some pep. Fan man is moving. Uh-oh. Trying to rise on me. Bring him out here in the open. I found that when it tries to rise on me, the best thing to do is to try to do some funnels or do some sharp turns that make you lose altitude. See if we can get some flips from Fan Man. Let's flip to the left. See if we can get a flip while moving. They ain't letting me get that. Oh, there we go. We got it off. Oh, we clipped the leaf. And man, still going though. The Rage RC Jetpack Hero 2, I think this is. Jetpack Hero 2. AKA Fan Man. Y'all remember the Fan Man? I think he dropped in the ring when Holyfield was fighting. Holyfield, Riddick Bowe, I believe. A little bit of boxing history. I think, if I'm correct, let me know in the comments. If you watch boxing and you know about that fight and that incident with Fan Man. I think it was Holyfield and Riddick Bowe for the heavyweight championship of the world. He's moving now. Oh, he's climbing on me. Let's get him back out here away from the trees. Can't remember if it climbs when the battery is low or what, but I'm funneling with it. Try to bring it down. Maybe some fast forward flight to bring them down faster. Yep. These darn altitude hold quads. I actually have part 1 of the Fan Man, but I don't have the Rage RC version. I think I have the knockoff, and that thing, which I can't even fly that outdoors because it'll, at low battery, it starts climbing and I can't bring it down. I think I had an incident where it tried to fly away on me and I just started doing flips, and that allowed me to bring it down. Okay, so he's down. Let's try to land Fan Man. Okay, he's descending pretty fast now. See if I can catch him. Come here. Ah, Butterfingers dropped him. The Rage RC Jetpack Hero 2, aka Fan Man, out here at Squirrel Park. Pretty awesome little flyer. Had to use a larger battery, but I think it fared well. It did okay. Let me know in the comments if you guys like this. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed and you like this content, so you'll know when I drop a new video. Thanks for watching.